and welcome to Cofinix Exchange, your go-to channel for honest, simple crypto education. 90% of the people lose their money in crypto. Not because crypto is a scam, not because the market is rigid, but because they ignore two simple things: risk management and taxes. They only focus on profits but forget protection. By the time they realize, it's already too late. In this video, I'll speak about how to protect your money in crypto, how the crypto taxes actually work in India, and the mistakes that can silently destroy your portfolio. So, if you are serious about crypto, then this video might help you save your money. So, let's start. The real game, risk management. Let me tell you something some people don't understand. Crypto is not a game of making money, it's a game of not losing the money. Because if you can protect your capital, profit will come automatically. I'll give you one reality check. Imagine you invest 10,000 rupees and you lose 50%. That means you have 5,000 rupees. To recover back 10,000 rupees, you don't need 50% profit. You need 100% profit. That's when you start losing the game. Golden rules of crypto risk management. Rule number one: only invest what you can afford to lose. If losing this money will affect your life, then don't invest it. Crypto is opportunity, but also uncertainty. Rule number two: never go all in. One of the biggest mistakes, putting all the money into one coin. Instead, spread across assets reduces your overall risk. Rule number three: position sizing. This is the most ignored part of risk management. Smart traders don't risk everything, they risk small. Only 5 to 10% of your capital per trade. This way, even if you lose, you still stay in the game. Rule number four: stop loss is not optional. Stop loss is your safety net. Without it, one bad move can destroy your portfolio. Rule number five: avoid high leverage. Leverage looks very attractive: 10x, 20x, 50x. But here's the truth: leverage doesn't just multiply profits, it multiplies losses faster. Most beginners lose money here. Rule number six: the most important thing, control your emotions. When the market goes up, you feel FOMO, fear of missing out. When the market goes down, you panic, and both of the heads loses. The market reward disciplines, not emotions. Crypto tax rules in India are very simple and clear. Number one, 30% tax on profit. No matter how much you earn, you have to pay 30% tax on profit, even if you are in a lower tax bracket. Number two, 1% TDS on every transaction. Every time you sell crypto, 1% is deducted on transaction. Even if you are not in profit, it is deducted automatically. Important reality about the TDS: this affects traders heavily because frequent trading is equals to more TDS deduction, lower liquidity. Now, number three, no loss adjustment. These where most people get shocked, where you cannot adjust losses, neither you can forward the losses. So, if you earn 10,000 rupees profit, lose 8,000 elsewhere, you still pay the tax on 10,000 rupees. Number four, crypto to crypto taxed. Even if you don't withdraw money, example Bitcoin, Ethereum, this is still taxable. Number one, track everything: buy price, sell price, dates, because tax filing depends on this. Number two, use trusted exchanges. Use exchanges that follows KYC, compliances, proper reporting. This reduces future problems. Number three, plan before you trade. Don't think how much will I earn, but also think how much tax will I pay. Global perspective. Different countries treat crypto differently. UAE, no personal tax. USA, taxed as properties. UK, capital gains tax. And India, high tax and strict rules. So, awareness is very important. Biggest mistakes people make. Let's expose the real problem. Ignoring risk, overtrading, using high leverage, not tracking taxes, chasing hype coins, these are the real reasons why people lose money. So, in crypto, making money is very easy. Keeping money is hard. The winners are not the smartest, the winners are the most disciplined. So, if you manage risk properly, stay tax compliant, you are already the 90% of the people which I was talking in the beginning of the video. So, if you have found this video valuable, then like, share, and subscribe to ProPhoenix Exchange for more such simple educational and risk management videos. Because in crypto, the more you learn, the less you lose. So see you in the next video.